Hi, Christine. How are you? Siguro you're having fun right now as a fiance. As a fiance. Be, kumusta ang buhay natin dyan? Pasensya na kung di ako nakaka-reply agad-agad sa mga, alam mo, mga chat mo. Pasensya na. Busy kasi tayo sa paghahanap buhay dito sa Tacloban kasi alam mo na Tacloban is already becoming a ghost fucking town. So, here it is. Gusto ko lamang magbigay sa iyo ng special message. Sa may camera. Ayan. Christine, be, I see your posts, be, don't tell me that I'm ignoring you, but be, I see what's happening to your life. You're a fiance right now who's going to be married to a Muslim person, Muslim people, Muslim whatever. Be, just so you know, wag kang magsiselos-selos kapag Muslim ang naasawa mo, ha? Because if you know the culture of the Muslim people, they, at least if they have the money, if they have the capacity, they actually collect wives, like a lot of wives, if kaya naman ng budget nila, be. So, huwag ka magselos-selos, be. Eto pa. Be, nakikita ko na sinusuot ng punyeta yung damit mo. Be, huwag ka mag-react. Hayaan mo na yan. Hayaan mo na yung mga damit mong yan. Yes! Dapat yung reaction mo, hindi yung galit ka. Dapat yung reaction mo, oh, kawawa ka naman. Gusto mo padalang kita ng Chanel. Gusto mo padalang kita ng Louis Vuitton. Be, huwag mo nang mag-aksayahan ng oras ang mga nakaraan ng mga patapon na mga damit. I know that you have a fucking sentimental value with all of those stuff that you owned before, but be, maawa ka naman sa pulubi. Maawa ka sa pulubi. Maawa ka sa mga walang pambili ng damit, be. Maawa ka sa poor. So, yun. Masasabi ko sa'yo. Stop with the negativity. I know, because I've been there. I've done that. Like, sinasabi sa akin ng tao, hindi ako makamove on kasi panay ako ex ng ex ng ex. Hindi naman sa hindi makamove on, pero they're making me freak out. They're making me do this nasty stuff because they're making me angry. But then I realized my emotions, I am responsible for my emotions, okay? I am responsible with what reaction should I give to these fucking people. So, yun nga, they don't deserve the reaction that they're gonna get from me. So, I'm like, bitch, I don't care. I don't fucking care. So, yeah. It's, unethical and unprofessional if you're gonna go and change this 2026. Let's go ahead and fuck it up. Don't give a fuck. What's priority? You know what the priority is? Your kid, your daughter. This is not just about you. This is about your daughter. Go and get your daughter if you really care about her. Go and get your daughter and then go live happily ever after, not looking back. Okay? Also, when you come back here in Tacloban, make sure na nakapirma lahat ng mga dapat pirmahin, na yung father and kid will always give you child support, okay? Kasi if they don't give you child support, that is so nasty. They're gonna go to jail. They will. So, yeah. Make sure na yun yung ilakad mo when you go here in Tacloban. Also, please don't give a fuck if your father have another child. Because it doesn't matter. He never really actually cared. as far as I know. So, he has his own life already, okay? Gusto mo ba na pag magkaanak ka, magkaroon din ng ganyang klaseng kadramahan yung anak mo sa'yo na, oh, nagkaanak ka na ngayon ng bago, nakalimutan mo na ako, kalimutan na rin kita. That is so dramatic. So, yeah. Don't give a fuck. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. Don't give a fuck. By the way, you can go ahead and check this out on my Yellow Basket. If you really want collagen on your fucking face, it's gonna tigas-tigas on my face and it's gonna peel, and all of the unnecessary things will be peeled off along with it. So young. Anyway, let's go back to the topic. Bitch, if you're gonna be a bitch, just stop posting those stuff where you're like, Be, I know you're confident as fuck. I envy you actually for having that fucking confidence. Like, you have that confidence. You don't even look at yourself in the mirror and you just post stuff and you're just like, oh my god, you don't even think second thoughts about that stuff that you post online and you just post it and you don't give a fuck. I like that. I like that attitude, but please just minimize them because people are making fun of you, and I don't like when my friends are making fun of them. So yeah, make sure that they're quality, and make sure that you have dolled up, like, make sure naka-aura yung mukha mo, make sure naka-aura yung makeup fest natin when we make content so that people will not haha our posts when we make them, okay? Okay. What else? What else should I tell you? Yeah. It's gonna be 2026, so let's become better people. I'm not saying let's become perfect. I'm saying let's be better. But